Okay, so look for a wide angle lens for your camera to shoot wide. That will help you with the autofocus, to focus more about everything. Hello my friend, this is Jose Velez from JV Creazion Tech, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. So I want to talk to you about how to get it better in the focus with any camera, especially cameras that you can change the lens. What I have been, working around this is shooting wide and in the P mode. So I put the camera in the P. The P mode, the camera will do everything for you because it's like a automatic. So it's not completely auto, but you can then have control of the white balance and the audio level, which right now I having a microphone and I need to adjust the level, Lavalier. This is the Technica, Audio-Technica. And right now I am in 18 millimeters, so it's not too wide. It's kind of wide, so it's still working. But when I'm shooting wider, so right now it's in 18, I'm gonna put it like in 12. You're gonna see it's wide. This is gonna be 12. So it's wide. When it's wide, is most everything is in focus. The only problem is that as wide as you go, the darker the lens will be. So then I have a light on the top. Let me show you here. This one is the 176 LED by Neewer, and I'm gonna put it on the top of the camera. And I have this with me all the time. And right now I have it like in 30. Let's go all the way to 100. Because right now here is dark. See, I'm putting a 50, it's 30. So now I am wide. Everything gonna be most on focus. And it was dark, but because I have the light, that's my workaround. And then when I am indoor, that's what I do. I shoot wide. I don't like to go too wide, like 10. For me, like this is like, wow, too wide. I want to be like 12, 13, 14, but then have a light. Gonna turn the light off. Gonna be here in the dark. Light off. See, and then that's why, especially if you're inside, you need light. Okay, so that's my workaround. I shoot wide to be most everything in focus. It's easy for the lens to adjust the focus when it's wide. Also, in the focus, I put the face tracking in the camera that you have. Right now I have a Canon T5i. I go and put the face tracking. So in your system, find something that can follow your face. And there you go. Hope this was helpful. So leave me some comment down below. And if you want to see more tips about cameras, and now I'm putting tips about doing YouTube, let me know. Smash the like, subscribe, hit the bell, and see you next time. Thank you. Bye.